In this video, you will learn about 3 examples of email copywriting. If you have just started copywriting and don't know how to write eye-converting persuasive email copy, please watch this video now. The easiest way to write an email copy is to follow a standard email copywriting formula. A sample formula allows you to organize your words, sentences, and paragraphs and write quickly. The best formula for email copywriting is AIDA formula. AIDA formula. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. Attention is related to a catchy subject line, so you have to write a catchy subject line in order to motivate your subscribers to open the email and take action. Interest is related to an interesting fact, an interesting information, or a interesting statistic. So it's the first sentences of your email or the first paragraph of your email body. Desire. You have to make them desire your product or services in order to take action. So in the desire part, you have to mention the benefits of your product for your customer or your lead. Action is related to taking action, so you put your hyperlink in a specific way in order to motivate them to take action. So here, let's see the 3 examples practically. Before showing the examples practically, make sure to download my free book in the description below. This book is called Email Money and it teaches you how to build the number one digital asset online using just your email address. Moreover, this book helps you to earn 7 figures, 8 figures, up to 9 figures online using only your email address while working only 15 to 30 minutes a day. So, if you want to build the number one digital asset, make sure to download this free book. Let's start with the first email copy. It's a story email, so I used the formula uh, in order to show you how to write your email copy and how to organize your email copy. Attention is our subject line, so your subject line should be 8 words or less. If you write a long subject line, uh, your subscribers will not see your subject line in their inbox fully. So make sure to write a short subject line, 8 words or less is enough. Our subject line is how I made $10,000 a month. So your subject line should match with the email body. Hey, here is the interest part. Here is uh, an interesting information. In 2014, I was looking for a side hustle because I couldn't pay all my expenses with corporate jobs salary. Suddenly, my friend Jack showed me a proven affiliate marketing system that helped me to make $10,000 a month while working only 30 minutes a day online. I was very happy with Jack's idea. I thanked him and I still do. As you see, this is the interest part, and in the next part, I show you the desire part and the action part. Here is the desire part. So I made this email desirable for my leads in order to take action. So this affiliate marketing system allows you to make $1,000 a month, then $10,000 a month, and finally help you leave your 9 to 5 job. So it's the big benefit of our affiliate marketing system. So make sure to mention the benefits of your product in the desire part. Here is the action part. Click here to discover this affiliate marketing system now. That's it. Let's go to the second email, which is a promotional email. So again, I used the formula to create this promotional email. Attention, the best email marketing platform. It's our subject line, and I used a power word called best and jargon, email marketing, and my subject line. Power words are words that influence on people, or psychologically it triggers the emotions of the reader. So here our power word is based. Hey, attention again. I grabbed your attention with a question. How do you know? Do you know the best email marketing platform? Question mark. Interest. It should be an interesting fact about your product. It's called Awebar. Awebar is the only email marketing software that deliver your email directly in the inbox, bypassing the spam and promo box. Moreover, it allows you to manage 500 email contacts for free. Again, it's a piece of information in the form of a fact, and I use the benefit of the Awebar here. 500 email contacts for free, so you can manage 500 email contacts for free. Let's go to the desire part and action part. It's the desire part. If you are suffering from poor deliverability and low open rates all the time, you can enjoy Awebar and its free membership now. Action. Go here to create a free account in Awebar. So I motivate them to create a free account in Awebar. Regards, David Abraham, it's my name. So, and the desire part, make sure to make it desirable for them by mentioning the big benefit of your product or your offer. Let's go to the third email. It's called welcome email. Welcome email is the first email of our autoresponder, and so we send it automatically when someone join our email list. Attention, subject line. Here is your free book. Again, the word free is a power word and are used in the subject line here. Interest. Hey, thanks for downloading my free book called Keto Diet. This book helps you lose 1 pound a day without calorie restrictions or exercise. In fact, I mentioned the big benefit in the form of information, in the form of a fact inside the first sentences here. Moreover, it has assisted 500 plus overweight individuals to achieve a slimmer body. If you missed it, here is the link again. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Jack, a weight loss expert. I dedicated my 20 years of my life to help people like you to get their healthy weight back. So, this is another interesting information regarding uh, the person, Dr. Jack. Let's go to the desire and action part. Desire. And the next 10 days, I will show you step by step how to overcome obesity according to latest scientific breakthrough. Make sure to read my emails and start acting upon them. Action. Here is the download link to the book again. So I motivate them to download the book again, and I put the second link in the email. So let's go back to the first email. Always write your email professionally. So as I told you, write uh, short subject line. Then, in the email body, write first sentences. The first sentence is short. Then the second sentence is a little bit longer, but not like a paragraph, because it will look tiresome and no one will pay attention. Then the second part here, write a paragraph, a short paragraph, and then short sentences here. So don't go for long sentences or paragraphs, so it will look tiresome and no one will pay attention. Again, download my free book in the description below, and this book teaches you how to build the number one digital asset online using just your email address. Thanks for your attention. and thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos.